Hello guys, so I just wanted to show you how to install the composer command package into your macOS. So there are quite a few things you need to do, few steps. So first you need to open the terminal, then download the composer by typing this command. So that will going to download the composer.phar. Alright, so it's already installed, but you need to move it into the bin directory to make it global. So just execute this command. So once you move that, you need to change the permission into 755. These are the commands you need to execute next. Alright, so next is you need to add an alias to your bash profile. So there's already existing data in the bash profile file. So what you need to do is to add this line of code below. Let's check if this is correct. Alias composer, which views alright, then control auto save, then exit. Last thing you need to do is just type the composer, then know its version. No, you need to exit first. Actually, exit, then quit the shell, quit the terminal, then open again. After that, type the composer version. So there it is. Composer now is already installed in your machine. Alright, so that's it.